नमस्कार।
तो अमिताभ जी, जब एक रूम में जया जी, रेखा जी और आप होगे तो वहाँ क्या होगा?
एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट और एंटरटेनमेंट। हाय।
Welcome back to our podcast Relationships Aajkal, where we talk about and discuss pressing issues pertaining to every relationship, be it with your partners, your friends, your bosses, or even your neighbors. I'm Prajakta.
And I'm Kalpit, and we will be your hosts for this podcast. Before diving into the episode, let us give you a little preview of what you are in for.
Our today's episode is The Fault in Our Stars. In this episode, we will discuss how starry exactly are our favorite celebrities' lives. Is it easy being famous and in the limelight 24/7? And how normalcy is also a luxury.
So, before we start the episode, where were we last week?
Really? We want to get into that? Okay, so we were not being lazy. It's just that we were doing a mini pest control, DIY pest control at our home because
Yes.
we are adults, theoretically.
In fact, we were being opposite of lazy.
Yeah, we had too much work going on last weekend at our place, so we could not muster up the energy and courage to shoot a new podcast for a whole day. We are sorry.
So, we can start with the episode?
Yeah, so today's episode is going to be mostly about. I know this sounds very superficial, but how difficult it is to be a celebrity, and we know nothing about it. It's just an outsider's point of view. So, I know that people might think this topic has been chosen because of the recent events that has been going on in Bollywood all around. But that's not why we chose to talk about this. Kalpit, like you and me have been talking about this for a very long time.
Yes.
That is one of our pastimes. Almost every night or every alternate night, we just sit lazing around on our couch and talk about world at large and all the
Correct.
things going on, our views about it. So that's how this podcast actually happened. We have always been wondering about what goes beyond this silver screen of celebrities.
I think it will be really difficult for these guys to lead a normal life, right? Because, see, let's say we can have a bad day and we need not worry about it. We can just continue with our day tomorrow. But these guys, when they have a bad day, it is second stone.
Correct.
So, I believe it is really difficult being famous.
And it sounds very superficial that you are siding with someone who has everything on paper. Like they have fame, they have power, they have money. So what's difficult for them? It's like one of those proverbs where people say, what's that thing people say? It's difficult to cry, but I'll cry in a Mercedes wale
correct.
quotes jaisa thing. What is it exactly?
Money can't buy happiness, but it is more comfortable to cry in Mercedes than on a cycle.
Oh God, yeah, हाँ. So obviously ये सब के बाद लगेगा कि बस भाई celebrities की इतनी भी ये मत करो as if वो हमारे सगे हैं. I know that's not the thing, but somewhere we fail to realize that. I know I'm at a very wrong place to say this, that there's happiness beyond money, fame and power, but there is. Why do you think that people go through such severe mental issues?
Correct.
And everything is like 50 times higher in case of celebrities. Even we go through trauma, but their struggle is very public.
Exactly. I mean, even if you're crying in Mercedes, there will be that viral or viral Bhavani guy who will come and snap a photo of yours, and it will be there on
Bhayani
Instagram.
and Manglani.
Yeah, I don't even know their names properly.
See, I'm guilty enough. I lap up all these gossips. We go through those Bollywood blinds, and
Every
that's
night
our
almost,
guilty
yeah.
pleasure.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's so tough on them. I mean, imagine you take a picture of yours, you click a picture of yours all decked up and with makeup or without makeup, whatever is your choice. You at least take 20 selfies of yours. You choose 2 of them. You shortlist amongst the pictures which you yourself have taken after being all laced with makeup. You shortlist 2. And then after that, you select that one picture in which you look your best. You apply all the filters there are. You use all the apps. you upload that. I mean, you go through all that trouble even after being a normal person, like not someone very famous. And ये celebrities के बारे में सोचो, who get snapped when they are just maybe standing in their balcony having their cup of coffee,
Seriously.
maybe in their pajamas, and they have to be on their toes at every time. They have to keep their guards up all the time. They don't get a cheat day in being a celebrity.
Correct.
ऐसा नहीं है कि एक दिन के लिए आज मैं normal person हूँ, I don't want paparazzis following me anywhere. They get snapped at their worst. All their worst looks and fashion faux pas are out there for the people to see. जबकि यार वो मे बी नीचे सिर्फ जिम के लिए जा रहे होगे, they won't be putting on makeup. उनका acne दिखेगा, उनके wrinkles दिखेंगे, उनके crow's feet दिखेंगे. But it's all there out on the internet forever. So when you, being a normal person, being a non-celebrity, you take so much care about yourself, you care about what image of you is portrayed out there. It's 100 times worse for a celebrity because you are under a scanner all the time. तो उसके बाद imagine their trauma that they don't get to lead a normal life and they cannot ever let their guards down. So how difficult it is to be prim and proper all the time.
Also, what is our job duty when we go to our jobs? Let's say for me, I have to analyze some Excel, I have to see through the data and come up with some inferences or make a report out of it.
Right.
Let's say I make a bad report. It's a terrible, shitty report. Only my boss is going to remember it. But see their lives, see celebrities' lives. They do one mistake. Any guy sitting in Nala Sopara with data connection and 5 minutes to spare can have it. He can just look at it and it's just there.
Correct.
Their bad performances or their mistakes in their jobs can never be forgotten. And it's a thing. So I was reading up and there was this theory about how human happiness at one point of time gets reset and becomes normal. So let's say you sit in a yacht for the first time
Okay.
or you fly in a private jet for the first time. Your happiness level will be very high. But
Correct.
once you start doing it, once it becomes your local train, you will not find that pleasure in it. So हम यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, हमको देख के अच्छा लग रहा है कि अरे वाह, they are living in a $5 million worth का mansion. For them, it is like अपना 2 BHK only. Because this human happiness just gets reset and it's normal for them now.
Yeah, I get it. It's not easy to be a celebrity. It is not. Everyone aspires to be one. I think that's the thing. Everyone aspires to be one. You get to see the good side of it. But there's a huge baggage of being a celebrity. Like with every right comes responsibility.
Correct.
The responsibilities of being a celebrity are very huge. And especially today when people actually demand celebrity to be more vocal, to be more aware of their influence upon people. It's a lot of stress upon them. right?
Correct. I mean, there might be a reporter asking Amitabh Bachchan that is government being very proactive about their corona response.
Then he can just come to you and ask you to answer in his voice.
नहीं मुझे नहीं पता जी, माफ कीजिएगा मुझे. He can't even say that because then there will be another BuzzFeed article that Amitabh Bachchan doesn't even know what is coronavirus or I mean
Yeah.
you can't know everything, but then you are
Correct.
supposed to know everything.
See, that's a different kind of stress. If you work in marketing and someone comes and asks you about let's say financial management, you can just clearly say that is not my forte. Celebrities cannot do that.
Exactly. And then you say that okay, that is not my forte. There will be BuzzFeed article about it.
And there are very few people who could be Alia Bhatts and actually make fun of people poking fun at her or how dumb she is apparently. So not everyone has that sort of comeback or that
And-
sort of attitude in their lives.
And All India Bakchod making videos about it. So yeah, actually, but people sometimes take it for granted that this celebrity is getting paid so much. I mean, people say that अरे सलमान खान को एक मूवी का 15 crores मिलता है or some ex actor gets paid 10 crore 12 crore but people don't realize that for that 12 crore the cost they have to incur, which is not directly associated with that 12 crore, is also huge.
Correct.
We get paid X amount for our jobs and we still have to incur cost to maintain it. I can't land up in my office in pajamas, right?
Right.
I still have to invest in good clothes. उसके बाद भी मैं ट्रेन से जाता हूँ. Nobody cares मैं क्या दिखता हूँ. As long as my PPTs, my Excels are proper, nobody cares मैं क्या दिखता हूँ. But I still have to incur that cost.
Right.
Now these guys were earning 10 crores per movie or 12 crores per movie, though it seems like something which is worth a lifetime for somebody like us.
Yeah.
But they are company in themselves. They have to pay for their staff. Their staff's family is being entirely dependent on how this guy does. And I'm not saying people set out to make bad movies or people set out to make bad series or bad projects per se. But we on a Saturday evening just go and say अरे ये movie तो कचरा है. I'm not saying that everybody makes good movies and all. हमने Mrs. Serial Killer देखी है. But there are movies which they thought is a good movie or a good idea. Like maybe execution was bad. But now we have just suddenly said no ये तो खराब actor है. Now this actor stops getting movies.
Correct.
उसके staff का payment कहाँ से आएगा?
Like imagine, Kalpit, for example, in your workplace, you took a certain amount of time to be adept at what you do very well. If you started learning how to use a new tool, you must have had your bad days. You must have had your training period when you didn't know anything. But no one knew about that.
Correct.
People usually in our normal days come to know about someone after they get good at something. Your struggle is nowhere to be seen.
Correct.
And it was not for people, it was not available for people to judge. Imagine there's an actor who's struggling and all his struggling period is out there for the people to see. So how will he feel encouraged? It is one of those things like if 99 people appreciate you and one person doesn't, that one thorn pricks you more than the 99 positive comments.
Yes.
So now just multiply that into millions.
Correct.
That is their exposure to likes and criticism. We cannot handle one bad comment about our dressing or the way we speak or anything about us. It just pricks us and it keeps going on in our head for days. Imagine if that number is in millions.
And there is a BuzzFeed listicle about it.
Oh God. They'll kill you. So imagine if everything in their life is amplified.
Exactly.
It's very exaggerated. The love which we get, even that is exaggerated and overwhelming for them. The criticism which we get, it's 100 times worse for them. So how do you expect a normal human being which has the same body composition, the same mental composition like us, they don't have superhuman capabilities in them.
Correct.
They are still human like you and me. They still have feelings like you and me. And you expect them to deal with superhuman emotions out there. That's very tough. That is going to be tough on them. So that is a thing to think upon. That what would these people be going through daily?
Also, you can learn to be a good actor. You can learn to be a good singer. You can learn and practice to be a good dancer. How can you learn to be a better celebrity? There's no school for it. You can by practice or you can by training, by learning, you can make your craft better. But how can you make your life better?
And you know what the problem is? Like, fine, they can go through their trial and error method and learn how to handle fame after being famous. See, if you and me, we can afford that. The cost of our mistakes is negligible when it's us. If you and me handle some project in a bad way, we might lose out on a project. We might lose out on a campaign, on a promotion at the most. But these people, their cost of loss is very, very high.
Yes.
So they can't afford to go the trial and error method. And even if they do, they need to be really strong-headed in their lives to bear those consequences, because nothing can prepare you for that.
After all this Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and all the social media explosion, all this is very visible now. In 90s, in maybe early 2000s, you have to read all of this in a magazine, which you are supposed to buy. It is not there in front of you.
Correct.
Now, we might not know in 90s our Bollywood stars or our celebrities were as stupid as what they are today. But Alia Bhatt saying Prithviraj Chauhan is our prime minister or whatever she said, chief minister, in a magazine, vis-a-vis she's saying this, and then that video is flashing everywhere on social media for everybody to see it.
Right.
It's very public now. It's very public. You can't avoid it. And let's say you get a bad review for any of our work, very small work.
Correct.
We can't ignore it. Let's imagine how that bad press affects them, because as you said, it is
It's magnified.
exactly right. All of this brings me to the point that how their relationships get affected because of all of.
The normal rules of relationships won't apply in this show business. Because this is like a very different world altogether, where everyone is just waiting to pounce on your opportunities and everything that you miss. It's like a dog eat dog world. Like, imagine something as basic as having friends. It's so easy for us. Like, we just step out, we make friends where we live, where we used to study, where we work. But imagine their workplace and our workplace. You always say that colleagues cannot be friends, and that's a right thing, because after a point you will be competitive. You have to choose between each other. So colleagues can never really be friends. This whole movie industry are their colleagues. You have at least one small area where you can be friends with someone, for example, who's not in your department, who's not in your team, or who's not in the same hierarchy as you. Someone is senior to you, someone is junior to you. You can still be friends with them without having the threat of them overpowering you or your
Correct.
work. Because if someone is of the other department, they are not really a threat for you. So you can trust them, you can share your things with them, you can be vulnerable with them, but not with someone who's your direct competitor.
Exactly.
The whole movie industry is a direct competitor in this case.
Yeah.
I mean, if I'm an actor who excels in comedy, I cannot say that, oh, that woman over there, she excels in horror, so she's not a threat to me. People can change genres, people can change their niche areas in a film, in one film. So it's not like, oh, she does horror all the time, so she won't be eating up my comedy projects and then we can be just good friends. It's not like that. Tomorrow that woman can venture into your niche area also. So it's always difficult to trust upon someone. Your competition is up here.
Correct.
It's right till the neck. You cannot trust someone and be gullible or vulnerable. People are out there to eat you.
Yeah. I mean, Bipasha Basu can do comedy.
So you cannot actually make friends and have those human relationships where if you are struggling with something, you're feeling low about something, you can share it with someone. And especially you aspire to be friends with someone in the industry because they can understand what you're going through. You might
Yeah.
have friends in your real life, someone with whom you were friends before you became famous, before you achieved fame, but they won't be able to relate with you in every aspect of yours. Like, imagine you telling them that you're depressed. The first reaction will be, what is there for you to be depressed? You have everything going on in your life. You're
Correct.
famous.
Correct.
So people don't understand what goes on the other side.
और ये हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया हुआ है इन ये दोस्ती क्या हम तोड़ेंगे दैट इवन योर चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स
Subtle plug-in.
yes
Very subtle.
so guys episode 2
Wrong plug-in.
as you said that people try and talk to their industry peers and try to share things with them because maybe they are in a better position to understand what you're going through. And I think this is what happens when they're looking for maybe a companionship also. Let's say you find another actor and you are in a relationship with them. How every small thing, which is a very normal thing which happens in every relationship, is again just there for public to see. You can't have fights in public.
God, dating is so hard. Dating is difficult in show business.
It won't be surprising to me that most of these celebrities would be spending their Saturday evenings, their Friday evenings alone.
Correct. Privacy.
Matlab, I know it will be luxury for them, but it's also kind of sad, right?
Imagine you're having lunch or dinner date with your partner in a restaurant, and headlines next day will be like, देखिए कैसे करीना ने सैफ के प्लेट से उठा लिए उसके टमाटर
अरे
और सैफ ने बेबो को
देखता है मुर तेरी माँ ने क्या किया.
So dating is so difficult. Like in every phase, in the courtship period where you're dating, you don't have a single ounce of privacy. We go on dates. It's a private thing. Being in a relationship, sharing some loving moments with your partner, it's a very, very private thing. And if you're constantly under the fear of, oh, someone, and it's so easy, by the way, it's so easy to be spotted in today's world when everyone has a camera on their phones and they are always on their phones. ऐसा नहीं है कि यार अनलॉक करते करते वो पर्सन निकल गया.
Exactly, right?
You don't need to do that. All your candid moments, all your private moments are captured by any random person. Like you don't even have to look out for paps anymore.
Exactly.
Normal people do that work.
इंस्टा पे मिल जाएगा अगले
हाँ,
दिन.
like कोई खुद ही अपने स्टोरी पे अपने ट्वीट में डाल देगा, oh look who I spotted, that Karina and sorry not Karina, oh that's so wrong, sorry that Katrina and Ranveer's thing in Ibiza.
Yeah.
She can't even go on the beach with that guy.
Exactly. And somebody then might say कि यार कौन बोल रहा है तुमको celebrities have to gig celebrities only. तुम नॉन सेलिब्रिटी लोगों को भी गेट कर सकते हो. और मे बी somebody who was a good friend of yours before you became a celebrity. But imagine how difficult it would be for that other person to go through all of this limelight.
Yeah, when they haven't signed up for this, they just wanted a relationship.
Yeah, I mean, you will always find someone actress spotted with a mystery man. I don't want to be that mystery man, right? I don't want people, driving past my house to see whether that particular actress had come to my home or not. And at the same time, it would be really difficult for that other person because now, how do they maintain that equality in this relationship?
You never know that the person you are in relationship with, is that person with you because he really loves you, or is it because of your fame, your power, or your money, or just for opportunities to be linked with you? मतलब आपका base and trust बनेगा कैसे in this industry which has no foundation of trust? ये इंडस्ट्री ही ट्रस्ट पे बनी नहीं है तो उसके ऊपर के रिलेशनशिप्स तो आप भूल ही जाओ. देन हाउ कैन यू एक्चुअली फाइंड रियल कनेक्शंस विद समवन, एंड व्हाट इज लाइफ विदाउट रियल ह्यूमन कनेक्शंस? आपके पास सब होगा but you won't have that one person to share it with. And not one person, matlab, I'm not just necessarily talking about a partner. It can be your parents, it can be your siblings, your friends. You get one thing in your life, आपको एक कोई appraisal, कोई increment मिल जाता है, and you feel like celebrating it with your loved ones and your near ones. ये लोग किसके साथ करेंगे? And even if they obviously host huge parties, but they know inside that no one here is truly happy for me. That's so sad.
Yeah. And imagine going through a breakup then.
That's horrible. Anyway, breakups are horrible. And for them, it's again magnified.
Also, you can, in our lives, if we go through a breakup, we can just shut that person off. यहाँ पे you might be doing movies with them. You might be roaming in the same circle. और कुछ नहीं तो विरल भिवानी है ही तुमको फोटोज भेजने के लिए Instagram पे. So you can never really block those memories or that person, which we can
let
do.
You forget that.
Yeah. Let's say star kids also don't have a normal life, right? तैमूर के लिए difficult होगा. वो स्कूल में, let's imagine तैमूर स्कूल में पढ़ाई कर रहा है, 3rd standard में फेल हो गया. अरे नहीं आ रहा होता उसको यार हिस्ट्री, कंफ्यूज था नवाब पटौदी कौन है. लेट्स से फेल हो गया हिस्ट्री. मुझे
कैसे तैमूर ने अपने एग्जाम में
की कट्टी. It's like, difficult, right?
Let's see, yaar. तुम and maybe we have given horrible tests, horrible exams. I have flunked in my CA exams. I don't even remember how many attempts I've given. But that's okay. That's in the past, and no one will come and remind me today that. And even if they do, they won't go back in one piece.
Yeah, 3rd standard में I got 84 in maths, and in previous semester I had gotten 99. So my mother was
What
called.
happened, brother?
My mother was called. आपके बच्चे का पढ़ाई में ध्यान नहीं है. I mean third standard. पढ़ाई में क्या ध्यान दूँ मैं? But
No, and as kids, everyone makes mistakes. Everyone has that first time they try something, or kids make mistakes. We have made innumerable mistakes, but we faced flack for that. Just maybe from our parents, from our teachers, from our friends. That's it. Friends तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Friends were in it with us.
वो भी feel हो
वो
गया
भी
था.
वे खुद भी डांट खा रहे थे. So after all that, you just feel कि हाँ ठीक है, this will end after a while, and you don't have to face huge repercussions for that. But not with people whose parents are celebrities, not with star kids. And star kids, I don't mean the kids जो actually film industry में enter किए, वो वाला star kids की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. Normal children of celebrities.
Correct.
It's difficult to be kids of
it's anyway difficult to be kids.
It's difficult to be alive, Kalpit.
Yeah.
Kids हो, adult हो.
एक तो मास्क पहनना पड़ता है हर जगह. But at the same time I feel star kids can at least handle their fame once they have it a little better because they might have had that experience throughout their life. They have got that kind of attention. And by trial and error they have now realized what to do.
It's like you're that Dark Knight wala dialogue, na? What is it? What is it?
You think darkness is your ally? You merely adopted it. I was born in it.
So if you heard a muffled voice right now, it's because Kalpit tried to make a mask like Bane with his hands and he covered his mouth. So that sentence was very sanitary sentence thrown at you.
Social distancing. So, how do you like to summarize this entire discussion? What are your views? How do you want to conclude this?
See, all this was not about us sympathizing with celebrities. It was just कि we should take it down a notch. Because I think अभी pressure इतना बढ़ रहा है ना कि people are succumbing to it.
Yeah.
It's not easy to handle it. पहले भी नहीं था, अभी भी नहीं है, but अभी it is worse than before.
Correct.
So let us just remember that these people are humans like you and me. Someday people amongst us will be on the other side. So remember to be kind to them. I'm not saying like just accept whatever stupidity they do, but then
Correct.
cut them some slack.
Yeah.
Let them be on their balcony in their pajamas with uncombed hair.
उनको रोज नहाना पड़ता होगा. Just imagine.
हर किसी को रोज नहाना चाहिए. This is not an excuse for you to not take a bath.
I will miss this luxury.
You should miss this luxury even now. This is not a luxury. This is just being unhygienic.
I know it is lonely at the top.
Shut up.
House in the hills don't have neighbors.
किसने बोला था ये?
George Clooney.
अयो. I know heavy hangs the crown, but ठीक है, इतना भी heavy नहीं करो कि उसके नीचे का आदमी उसके नीचे दब जाए यार.
सच्ची.
Let's be a bit kinder to them. Skip on all the gossips. Like, yeah, chalo, consume the gossip, but don't hound people over it. I mean, people attacking someone in their comments and उनको पहले की बातें याद दिलाओ. याद है 10 साल पहले. You're not their girlfriends. उनके past mistakes मत याद दिलाओ. Let them be.
वो किसी और की जॉब ड्यूटी है. उसे करने दो.
And that is all for today. Hope you had a good time and thank you again for joining us. Like, follow and subscribe to our podcast and tune in every Saturday for new episodes. Yes, Sunday से Saturday पे आ गए because आप लोग भी Sunday को थोड़ा सा rest कर लो यार. So we believe in changing the society one stupid cause at a time. For every subscriber follow we get, we shall donate that much amount to our favorite cause. So our cause of the week is...
Quick small talk and just tell us the reason why you texted us.
Yeah, I mean, we all know that you don't want to know how we are.
Yes.
You don't even know who we are.
And guys, call करके small talk करना is so lame. Text me, क्या काम है? I'll
Yes.
just do it.
Yes, that is better. Like, I know you don't want to know about my kids. मुझे पूछने से पहले आप पहले मेरे Facebook प्रोफाइल पे गए होगे and देखे होगे कि लड़का है या लड़की.
Exactly.
You don't care about our kids. We won't care about your kids. अब तो दूर की बात है.
Yeah. कैसा चल रहा है और तुम्हारे यहाँ बारिश हुई कि नहीं?
तू साइड वाले घर में रहता है. Our बारिश is your बारिश. It's all of our बारिश.
Yes. कैल खोल कर दिखा देता मैं.
God. So you can find us on YouTube, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you get your podcast from by the same name, Relationships Aajkal. See you next Saturday, one relationship at a time.